Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can download Tableau along with the product activation key. So please watch the full video. Let's begin. Now go to Google and type in Tableau. Press enter. Make sure the first option, if you're into Google, you will be getting the first option as Tableau. That's what you need to click on. You'll be directed to the home page of Tableau. As you can see, this is how the home page looks. Now we'll be clicking on Try Now. You'll find it on the top right corner. You'll be taken to the next page, and this is where we have to click on Learn More. So you can see that there will be an option of student and teacher. So click on Learn More. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the next page where you need to fill in the basic details. So this is the registration page where you have to enter your basic details, and then Tableau will verify these details and send the product activation key to your registered mail ID. So like I have already done my registration yesterday, so still I'll show you how it is done. So first thing is that you need to select the country. So I've selected India. Next, followed by your name, email ID. The next field is about school information. So here you need to select your university or college where you are currently studying. So I will be selecting Pune University. The next field talks about how you want to utilize that Tableau software, and then click on verify student status. So in the next page, I am getting a message that license has already been issued to me in the past year. So but once you do it, you will get an option where you need to upload your ID card, scanned copy ID card, and then another document that proves that you are a part of the college or university which you have mentioned in the previous page. Once all your documents are successfully submitted, Tableau team is going to verify them. Once the verification is done, within 1 to 3 days, they will be sending you an email along with the product activation key. Now you need to check your inbox. So this is the mail that I had received from Tableau. So as you can see that you can see that this is the mail that they had sent along with the product activation key. So we have two options here, which is Tableau Desktop and Tableau Prep. So I will be clicking on Desktop. Further I'll tell you that what are they actually used for. So once you click on Tableau Desktop, your download will begin automatically. So as you can see, the download has already started. Tableau Desktop is used for data visualization purpose, while Tableau Prep is used for data cleaning purpose. So depending on your requirement, you can download any of them, and the product activation key remains the same, but the condition is that you cannot download both of them in same system or same laptop or PC. You have to do that in two different computers, and the product activation key will remain the same. So you can see that the download is already over. Now we'll try to launch it. So let's click on Run. Now check all the boxes which are there. Click on Install. Once that is done, you will be taken to the page where you have to enter the product activation key. Please enter the product activation key that you have received in your email ID. You can just copy paste it, and bingo, you are done. Now you can launch Tableau software and try using it. So Tableau will provide you with 3 sample data also. So this is one of them. So I just tried to find out. I'll show you how the data can be visualized in different forms. So this is one of the ways. So just have a look. Yeah, so this is how the data has been represented in different country forms. So these color shades, they actually have a meaning. So once you put the cursor there, it displays all the information. That's all friends. Thank you for watching. And if you're able to successfully download Tableau, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your peers so that others can also make the best use of it. If you face any difficulty in downloading it, please let me know in the comment section. And apart from this, if you have any other topic in mind on which you want me to make any video, please mention that in the comment box as well. See you in my next video. Stay fit, stay happy.